Magandang araw, magandang gabi, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at maging dito sa Amerika. Ito ang inyong lingkod, si Freddy, upang aking i-discuss today ang paninindigan ng ating First Lady Lisa Araneta Marcos tungkol kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Okay? Ang sabi ng ating First Lady Vice President Sara Duterte, cross the line. Okay? Ito po, pakinggan po natin ang pananalita, ang news tungkol kay First Lady para kay VP Sara.
And laughed when her father, former President Rodrigo Duterte, accused her husband of being a drug addict.
Kumusta kayo ni VP Sara?
I was always kind to her when Bong had that bagong lipunan rally.
Ito ang ating First Lady.
She came and my husband, that was supposed to be December eh. Parang to start the new year, o bagong Pilipinas, parang huwag na tayo mag-away, mabait tayo, let's help the people, blah, 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 blah. And na-postpone, ganyan. So I think it was in Feb or March, right? So she went there at 3, and then she went to Davao. And then when she went to Davao, Duterte said, oh, bangag, diba?
Yeah.
Imagine a former president calling, bangag.
Bangag ang ating presidente. Sabi
Yun 6
ni
years, why would you
Digong
call
Duterte.
bangag, diba? For me, nasaktan ako because my husband will do everything to protect you. You ran together, diba? Sama-sama tayo babangon muli. Pupunta ka sa rally, tatawagan yung presidente mong bangag, diba you're going to laugh? Tama ba yan?
Hindi naman lagay sa inyong kaalaman na si VP Sara ay umaten doon sa Davao Rally o tinawag nilang prayer rally. At umaten din siya dito sa Liwasang Bonifacio Rally. Umaten siya. At hindi karapat-dapat sapagkat yung pag-aten niya dyan sa Liwasang Bonifacio ay siya po ay caretaker ng gobyerno. Hindi nararapat sa isang vice president na caretaker to attend a rally like the one that they did there in Liwasang Bonifacio. Ito ay unethical for a lawyer like Vice President Sara na kakalabanin niya ang kanyang boss na si Presidente Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. Yan ho ang sinasama ng loob ng ating First Lady na syempre hindi niya matanggap bilang asawa na tinawag siya ng bangag nitong dating Presidente Rodrigo Roa Duterte na palit ng kanyang stance. There are times na gusto niya kay Presidente Bongbong Marcos Jr. at may time na ayaw niya. At yung dalawa niyang kapatid ni VP Sara ay talagang nilalabanan ang gobyerno ni Bongbong Marcos Jr. Ito naman ay wala naman silang karapatan sapagkat ang ating presidente ay maganda ang kanyang palatuntunan at programa sa security at economic condition ng Pilipinas, most especially nowadays. Okay? Yan ho ang latest ko para sa panawagang VP Sara resign. VP Sara resign. Yan ho ang masyadong matunog ngayon dyan sa Pilipinas na marami nang naghahangad na mag-resign na si Vice President Sara Duterte as Department Secretary of Education. Okay? Ito ay sinabi ng isang lawmaker na dapat po siyang mag-resign dyan sa kabinete ni Presidente Bongbong Marcos Jr. kasi hindi siya karapat-dapat. Okay? Okay. Ito ang sa Manila, Philippines by Luisa Cabato. Okay? A lawmaker has urged Vice President and Education Secretary Sara Duterte to resign from her post as the Chief of the Department of Education or DepEd. Ito ay in a statement on Friday evening. Noong nakaraang Friday, Manila 3rd District Representative Joel Chua asserted that it's time for accountability for VP Sara Duterte and the Duterte family. The Vice President should show some decency by resigning from her DepEd post at the very least. Her family unleashed a barrage of insults and attacks directly to the President, and yet she does nothing and is still enjoying the perks of being part of the official family. Yan po. Ito pong paniwagan nito ay sinundan po rin ni dating Senador at Justice Secretary Laila De Lima to VP Sara Duterte, resign or tell your family to stop its campaign that President Bongbong Marcos Jr. need to step down as president, contrary to the content of the Philippine Constitution, na the president should stay up to year 2028. Ito po ay paniwagan ni dating Secretary Laila De Lima na of Liberal Party. So it looks like a Liberal Party will be a pro-administration while the PDP will be the opposition na mga Duterte. Kaya hindi maganda. At ang ginagawa ito ni Vice President Sara Duterte ay pinagtatanggol pa niya si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Ito ay criminal, ay pinagtatanggol niya. Abogado siya, pero hindi niya nakikita. Hindi niya ma-analyze. At ang tinitingnan niya ay ang utang na loob niya sa kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy na criminal. Criminal na to halos criminal na. Wanted siya dito sa Amerika at wanted na rin siya dyan sa Pilipinas. Okay? At sana ay inyong ipag-isipan, lalo na to sa mga DDS to think over. Saan ba kayo? Pro-China or pro-America or pro-the Philippines? Democracy. Okay? So, Sara, resign. Yan ang ating panawagan sa ating channel na to. In God we trust. Never hold your peace. I'll see you in my next vlog.